Hey everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to round numbers in Excel. The first function we will look at is round. This function is perfect when you want to round a number to a specific number of decimal places. Type equals round, select the cell you want to round, and then enter the number of decimal places. For example, if I write 0, it will round to 0 decimal numbers. If we want to see decimal numbers, we can right-click on cell and select Format Cell. In Numbers section, we can choose how many decimal numbers we want to see. If I write number 1, it will round to first decimal number. And if I write -1, it will round first whole number. Click and drag the fill handle down to cover the cells you want to apply the formula. Next up is the Roundup function. This is useful when you always want to round a number up, no matter what. To use it, type equals Roundup, select your cell, and specify the number of decimal places. Similarly, the ROUNDDOWN function does the opposite. It always rounds numbers down. Just like before, type equals ROUNDDOWN, choose your cell, and specify the decimal places. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments if there are other Excel tips you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.